A good all-purpose cleaner handles fabric, plastic, vinyl, and rubber without damaging any of them. One bottle, every surface. I tested 7 APCs from Amazon on the same interior to find which ones are truly all-purpose and which ones fall apart on certain materials. Here's the ranking. The first on the list is the Meguiar's D10101 All-Purpose Cleaner. This flagship product cleans both interior and exterior surfaces effectively. The foaming action lifts dirt from leather, carpet, upholstery, and vinyl. Superior lifting power removes embedded grime without aggressive scrubbing. Application works on leather seats and fabric floor mats equally well. The formula is safe for all automotive interior materials. However, the foaming action requires thorough rinsing to prevent residue buildup. For versatile interior cleaning, Meguiar's D101 is a trusted choice. At number 2, we have the Chemical Guy's Total Interior Cleaner and Protectant. This multi-surface formula cleans and protects in one application. It works on leather, vinyl, plastic, rubber, and glass safely. The streak-free finish looks clean and professional. UV protection guards your interior from sun damage during use. Coverage extends across your entire car interior without reapplication. However, the smaller bottle size means frequent refills for comprehensive detailing. For effective multi-surface protection, Chemical Guy's Total is a dependable choice. At number 3, we have the Chemical Guy's All Clean Plus Citrus All-Purpose Cleaner. This 2-pack offers exceptional value for regular maintenance work. The citrus formula provides degreasing power for stubborn dirt. Interior and exterior cleaning capability expands your product utility. The pleasant scent freshens your car during the cleaning process. Water-based formula cleans effectively without harsh fumes. However, degreasing formulas sometimes leave slight residue on textured surfaces. For budget-conscious detailers, Chemical Guy's All Clean Plus is a practical option. At number 4, we have the P&S Xpress Interior Cleaner. This professional-grade product delivers premium performance across surfaces. The 1-gallon bottle provides significant volume for serious detailing work. It removes dirt, grease, and oil without damaging sensitive materials. Fresh scent makes the cleaning experience pleasant. No dilution needed means immediate application after purchase. However, the professional strength formula requires careful handling in concentrated form. For professional-level results, P&S Xpress is an excellent choice. At number 5, we have the Meguiar's All-Surface Interior Cleaner. This spray cleaner quickly tackles all interior surfaces with ease. The specialized formula cleans without stripping protective coatings. Pleasant scent leaves your cabin feeling fresh and new. Quick cleaning action means less time spent on each surface. The compact 16-ounce bottle fits easily in your detailing kit. However, spray bottles require consistent trigger work for large areas. For quick touch-ups and regular maintenance, Meguiar's All-Surface is effective. At number 6, we have the Chemical Guy's Foaming Citrus Fabric Cleaner. This product specializes in fabric and upholstery surfaces in your car. The foaming citrus formula removes stains and odors effectively. Safe for use on seats and floor mats without color fading. Citrus scent refreshes your interior while cleaning deep into fibers. The concentrated formula provides excellent value per application. However, fabric-specific cleaners work best when paired with general-purpose options. For fabric and upholstery focus, Chemical Guy's Foaming Citrus is the right tool. Coming up next, we have the Armor All Car Cleaning Wipes. This product ditches the spray bottle for convenient, ready-to-use wipes. 90 wipes per box provide extended cleaning coverage. Each wipe lifts dirt and debris without damaging delicate surfaces. The wipe format makes quick cleaning between full detailing sessions easy. Interior and exterior versatility expands product utility throughout your car. However, individual wipes may dry out if containers are not sealed properly. For convenience and portability, Armor All Wipes is a practical choice.